Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Faverio Assioma to Garmin. First, you'll need to activate your Faverio Assioma pedals using their dedicated smartphone application. This crucial first step ensures your pedals are ready to transmit data. Next, simply rotate your bike's cranks a few times to wake up the pedals. For the most stable connection, we highly recommend pairing your pedals with your Garmin device using the ANT+ protocol. Now let's get those pedals paired. On your Garmin device, go into the Settings menu, then select Sensors. From there, choose Add Sensor and look for the Power option. Your Garmin should then detect your Assioma pedals. If you are connecting via ANT+, you only need to pair the left pedal, as it acts as the master and transmits data from both pedals to your Garmin unit. Once paired, it's important to configure your data fields and calibrate. First, ensure your crank length is correctly set on your Garmin device. Then, perform a zero offset calibration before every ride. This takes about 15 seconds and ensures maximum accuracy. Remember to keep your bike upright and pedals free of load during this process. For advanced metrics, enable IAV cycling dynamics in your Garmin sensor details, especially when connected via ANT+. If you encounter any issues, here are some helpful tips. To prevent connectivity problems, ensure your pedals are not simultaneously connected to multiple Bluetooth devices. For Assioma Uno users, remember to disable power, having in the Assioma app, and enable single-sided power meter on your Garmin to get accurate total power. Finally, always keep your pedal firmware updated for the best possible performance and a smooth connection experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.